Hi everyone, my name is Daniel and I'm an assistant editor at Edutopia. And I wanted to make a short video showcasing a fun AI tool for early elementary students that I came across in my reporting. So this tool is called Animated Drawings. It's from Meta AI and it does what the name suggests. The first step here is to upload a drawing. So I have this little robot drawing I did. I took a photo of it on my phone and then emailed it to myself so I could have it on my desktop here. So we'll open up that and hit next. And the first thing the AI does is try to identify the borders of your image. You might have to adjust it a bit like I had to do here. And then I'll hit next. Now it's identifying the exact contours of the figure you drew. It gives you some tools to adjust it if need be, but usually does a pretty good job. And finally, it tries to identify the exact limbs and head of the image. A few seconds later, I have an animation of my little character here. And it offers, I think, 32 different animations. There's one that's kind of fighting moves. Yeah, kind of flying kick. That's cool. There's definitely some dancing as well. Here's one kind of doing the wave. And yeah, so I hear from teachers, students really love seeing their drawings come to life like this. And there are some learning outcomes that you can tie it to as well. My mom is a pre-K teacher, and I hear from her that her students love this tool and that it's helped them to develop their pencil grip, as well as their draftsmanship. For this tool to work, you do need to provide it with a figure that has 4 limbs and a head. And so for students in her class who are maybe a little bit more abstract and scribbly in their drawings, they've gotten better over the course of the year because they really want to see this tool work, and they know that for it to work, they need to be more precise in their drawing. This tool is also fantastic for getting early elementary students to develop their storytelling capabilities. You could ask the student, why is your character running? Is it running from something? Is it running to somewhere? And really get them to kind of engage in creative, imaginative storytelling around their original character. So yeah, we wanted to showcase this fun little tool. And if you know of other fun AI tools that are out there, definitely let us know. All right, thanks so much for listening. Bye.